Hey, so I know I posted on my community tab the partial complete project where I had put all of my palettes back here, and I do like it better versus the higher mesh container because the shorter palettes like these and even these they were not seeable. Is that a word? Because they were shorter than the height of the thing. I'm probably not making sense, but I do like this better. So these are all of my eyeshadow palettes. And what this means is because everything fits perfect. Like, no, these aren't straight, but everything fits. So what this means is that if I buy a new palette, something may have to go. So it may end up being like something in, something out. We'll see. But I really like how I can still see everything. And what I didn't do earlier that I did after the live stream, that larger container, this acrylic one, I took that off and I kept these here because I did put all of these, my face products in it, and then these were on the side, and to me it looked cluttered, and even now to me this still looks cluttered, so I don't know if I'm going to leave this here because I also have like random stuff down there, so that may go down there, I'm not sure. But for right now, these are all the fun stuff. The Makeup Forever foundations that I mixed. We got the fake blood up here. These are two mixers that are reaching their PAO, so they will go somewhere, probably the trash. And these are the Scandinavia sprays, and this I believe is the Inglot mixing medium. And so, but to me it's looking cluttered. And I have my Bio Beauty patches here. So it's not grating my OCD nerve, but I'm just kind of like, I doubt that this will permanently be here. And also what's not here is my gems, and those are lashes, and those are lashes, because there wasn't a way that I can figure out to put them up here where I can still grab them and use them and it not look cluttered or not be in front of the palettes, because some of that stuff is higher than the palettes. And so if I'm going to use lashes or the gems, I will just have to remember to take them out before I do whatever look that we're going to do. These are all of my face products. Haus Labs bronzers, Haus Labs blushes, Haus Labs highlighters, my 3 Hourglass face palettes, and my 3 single Hourglass finishing powders, and my Fashion Fair setting powder. I had these standing up initially, but they were in line with this palette here, and I didn't like not being able to fully just see this. And so I put them sideways, and everything fits. And so I put them in order of use because I usually do bronzer first, then blush, then highlighters, and then, the finishing powders. This is going to stay here. Sponge tip applicators, lipstick applicators. This is looking cluttered to me. I am going to rearrange it. So these sponges, which I may move 2 of these because there's 3 here because I seldom use them. And I use them for troll play. And once I use it, I do just toss it. Groundwork paint pot that I use on top of my Fenty eye primer. This is just a doohickey for my stool because sometimes I need to loosen it. This is a pencil sharpener. The powder puffs, a wedge. These, sometimes I wet this when I use it and still never end up using it. And these are paint pots and fluid lines, duo lash liner. This is a no, it's not. It's a Makeup Forever spray that came gift with purchase. And back here, the glitter liner, and just random things. These are 2 tools right here, tweezers and an eyelash tool. And this was the eyeliner. No, it's not, eyeshadow that was given to me. It's liquid. And another, this is the speckle pen that Janessa sent me. And I don't like that this is taller than what's in the back, so I'm going to rearrange it. But this is just the regular basic stuff. Gem glue and something else I forget. The Fenty eyeshadow primer. City Beauty eye cream, the City Beauty plumping lip oil, foundation, primer, and the Natasha Denona. And I moved the empty brush thing. So this is where when I use a brush, it'll go there because it used to be over here somewhere. But I like having like this additional space because before everything came to like here. And so I do like having more space in this area. So that's why I moved this back here. These are the brushes I use for paints. This will be the one when I use a brush, it'll go in here, and then this will go into the kitchen to be washed. And it can easily go back here, but so we'll see. But this will be rearranged because I just like cram stuff in there to get it done. This will probably be moved because I do think it just kind of looks cluttered there, but I might get used to it. I don't know, we'll see. And I don't use stuff in there often, so if I moved it down there, it wouldn't really matter too much. My notebook, my YouTube notebook for members only requests that goes in. My backup groundwork paint pot, because y'all seen the one I've been using. I am almost done with that. My water activated liners. This is a loose powder gift with purchase from Notoriously Morbid. This is the water that I use for the water activated liners, and there's one in here, as well as a blush and eyeshadow that were free gift with purchase that I never use, and so I may get rid of them, but they're not in the way, so they just stay there. So this is what the station is looking like. I need to find somewhere for this big ass thing that came with the kit. I do have a smaller color wheel. This thing is just huge, and excuse me if I'm making you dizzy. This is a smaller one that tucks away really nicely. I think I'm going to get a different container, even though this is two, just one that will hold all of my lippies, because I'm sure some of you have heard, like when I'm looking for something, clank, clank, think, think, and then everything starts falling and it's making a bunch of noise. And so I do think I'm going to get another container for all of my lippies. And my brushes, these are going to stay the same. So these are lip liners. These are brushes I use for lower lash line. These are my shader brushes. And these here are my blending brushes. Face brushes here, face brushes here. And in this slot, is it blurry? Why is it looking blurry? Probably because my hand is there. So these two are my Sigma face brushes back there. So this is what we have, y'all. And I was just going to take pictures. And I said, let me just do a live, not a live. Y'all can tell I'm tired. Just do a short, quick video. And that's my makeup trash bag. And, backup stuff in the bag back there, which is where that flying thing went that I had fit and screamed in the video. But this is what my station is looking like. And again, I know I say before, I like looking over and seeing all the makeup I have. And so I can quickly just grab something from the stool that I sit on right there. And so I do like having everything right in front of me. I can reach out and touch it, including the brushes. And so we're going to go. Let me know what you think. Let me know what your makeup setup is. Do you have everything where you can just reach out and touch it? Or do you have to get up and go to a shelf or a drawer or, something to get it? And do you keep your stuff categorized? Like, again, these are all eyeshadows, bronzers, blushes, highlighters, face palettes, single compacts of finishing powders. Like, do you organize your stuff this way? Or like, do you organize by brand? Everything from one brand is here, another brand is there, that type of thing. So let me know that below. And thank you for watching. And I hope I didn't make anybody dizzy with all the moving, because I'm holding my phone and I didn't think to use my selfie stick. So I do apologize for that. But thank you for watching. Let me know down below and you'll see me soon. Thanks. Bye. Hey y'all, excuse the noise in the back. That's my microwave going. I already have a problem. Remember how I was saying it may be a situation, something in, something out, because everything fits perfect? This Notoriously Morbid palette, Lady of Shalott, and my Notoriously Morbid Nightmare palette, they're not over there yet. So now I'm like, where, or like how, like what? How are these both going to fit? And also, don't forget my MAC project. I'm waiting for that one shadow to come in. Like, where is that going to go? So, yeah, I don't know. So something's going to happen. If we do move this somewhere else, we can shift these sideways or something. I'm going to work it out. But, yeah, Houston, we have a problem. Yeah.